Havana, oh nana. Half of my heart is in Havana, oh nana. He took me back to his Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners, Havana, oh nana. Hey, he didn't walk away, that's how you do it. He said there's a lot of her I can do it. I'm doing forever in a minute. And Papa said he got my love in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I know it when I met him. I love him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I have to go. Oh na na na, Havana, oh na na. And I didn't wanna write a song, 'cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care. I don't, but you still hit my phone up. And baby, I've been moving on, and I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never lied to admit that I was wrong. I've been so tired of being my job, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look at my show, baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and yeah, I never knew I needed. And the heart sometimes is unclear what it's beating. And love, if your wings are broken, borrow mine so yours can open too. 'Cause I'm gonna stand by you. Oh, truth, I guess truth is what you believe in. And faith, I think faith is having a reason. And no love, if your wings are broken, borrow mine till yours can open too. 'Cause I'm gonna stand by you. Even if we're breaking down, we can find a way to break through. Even if we can't find heaven. I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. And I'm down, I get real down. And I can calm down, I get angry. Baby, believe me, I can love you just like that. And I can leave you just as fast. But you don't judge me. 'Cause if you did, baby, I'll judge you too. But you don't judge me. 'Cause if you did, baby, I'll judge you too. 'Cause I got issues, but you got them too. So give them all to me and I'll give mine to you. Basking the glory of all our problems. I don't wanna be a vicious, and I'm asking for forgiveness. All I ask is you. Now this is my last night with you. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need a friend. I just don't wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on, reaching out to you someday. A chance wherever where you go. Oh no, you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got none. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasures. Nobody but you, nobody but me, nobody but us. Got this together. I'd love to hold you close tonight and always. I'd love to wake up next to you. I'd love to hold you close tonight and always. I'd love to wake up next to you. So we'll be all the neighbors, and the place that feels the tears, the place to lose your fears and reckless behavior, and the place that feels so pure, so dirty and rough in the battle day, battle day, battle day. I'm loving you, body on. It's a paradise and it's our song. It's a paradise and it's our song. Turn away if you could get me to ring of overcuts. My lips are chafed and faded. Call my Aunt Mary. Help her gather all my things and bury me into my favorite colors. My sisters and my brother still. I will not kiss you, 'cause the hardest part of this is leaving you. Don't cry, snowman, not in front of me. Who'll catch your tears if you can catch me, darling? If you can catch me, darling. Don't cry, snowman, don't leave me this way. A bottle of water can't hold me close, baby. It can't hold me close, baby. I want you to know that I'll never leave you, 'cause I miss the snow till God will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So long, let's go below zero and light from the sun. I love you forever. Will we have some fun? So